Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zainal Zaid from class 3A, and I'm going to be showing off how my relay works. So I already have it all set up here. So as you can see here, this is my Node-RED dashboard on the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, we set it up here. So I'm going to, listen carefully, I'm going to press this button here. You can hear a beep. So that's for the on pressing. That's me pressing it 3 times. And I'm going to be pressing it another 3 times for the off button. This is the switch. Okay, controlling the switch here. So this is the switch. And all these buttons are from the Raspberry Pi itself, transferring to my board over here. So if you take a look here at the Arduino coding, we can see here we have payload messages coming in. So 1 second, let me just slow this down. As you can see, payload 2 and 3, this is for the switch. We also have payload 0, which is the off ones, and we have payload 1 for the turning on buttons. So that is all for my relay workings. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Alright, so this is my sensor circuit. These are all my sensors connected. And once I press on this blue button here, as you can see, it will, I've shown this before, it will show off everything turning on. That beep signals everything is ready. So this is how the circuit looks. These are the connections. This is what I added. This is the relay unit, the diode, the transistor, and here is the buzzer. Alright, okay. Thank you. My name is Zainal Zaid, and I'm going to be going over the Arduino coding for my circuit. So we're going to start here looking at my SSID as well as my password. This is based on the Wi-Fi I am using. So this is the name of the Wi-Fi as well as the password for the Wi-Fi. This is my topic name, and this is the topic I'm going to be using for my relay subscription in Node-RED. So as we go down here, this is just the run-of-the-mill coding. This here is the logic explaining how my relay should react depending on what I am using, depending on what payload is being sent. This is just some of the serial print that will pop up in the serial monitor like this we have here. So as you can see here, there is a lot popping up here, but let me go up to the top and you can see this is what happens when I activate my circuit, which is when I press my button on, and then I connect to my Wi-Fi and I connect to my MQTT. So then as I go down here, as you can see, everything here is just boilerplate things, what I use to set up my circuit. As you can see here, I have this Melis coding here, which is to deal with the debounce issue with buttons. And it aims to make sure that my system is more accurate and more efficient, because you don't want, see what debounce is when you press a button, there is a slight little bounce in it that is like an off on. So if you press the button too quick or incorrectly, or just in general, you press the button normally, it has a chance of being incorrect, meaning a button could be on and you could press it to turn it off, but it stays on because it reads it as off on. Think of it like a going down, going up again, because it's a really quick bounce. This is why we want to fight it by using Melis. So this is just the JSON coding, and that is it for my Arduino coding. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zainul Zaid, and I'm going to be showing off how my Telegram alert system works. So as you can see here, I have messed around with the thresholds to show you what happens when any readings exceed a certain threshold. So as you can see here, you have alert for high gas levels, and it also sends you the current sensor information as well as an alert for when the sensor reading exceeds a threshold. So as you can see here, I have messages coming in currently, and everything is within normal levels. I have not messed around with anything or manipulated any data. I did it before just to show the thresholds working. So this is what it looks like normally, and if anything exceeds a certain threshold, you get an alert like I showed you just now. That is all from me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you.